من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم. Today we will do some numericals on projectile motion. We have learned to my important motion that the time of flight is twice u sine theta by g, twice u sine, where u is the initial velocity and maximum height is u square sine square theta by 2g, while horizontal range is u square sine 2 theta by g. Maximum range is for theta is equal to 45, that is u square by g. Now we have a problem. We are given a projectile is fired with a velocity 20 meter, making angle 30 with the x-axis. We have to find the time of flight, horizontal, vertical height and horizontal range. Here we take g is equal to 10. So this is a simple question. We only need to remember the formula. So initial velocity is given. We first our first job is to see what is the given parameters and variables. We are given that initial velocity 20 meter per second and theta is 30 degree. So time of flight we know it is 2u square sine theta, sine square theta, 2u sine theta by g. So it is 2, substitute the value in 20 into sine 30 divided by 10. So it is 4 into 1 by 2, that is 2 seconds. Vertical height is u square sine square theta by 2g. So it is u square, that is 400. Sine square 30, that is 1 by 2 square, and 2g is 40. We simplify 0, 0 cancel, 4 10s and 10 into it is 400 into 1 to 4 into 40, that is equal to 100 divided by 40, that is 5 by 2 meter, or you can write 250 centimeter. Horizontal range, it is r is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. So it is 400 into sine 60, because theta is 30, so sine 2 theta is 60 divided by 10. So we get root, it is 400 into root 3 by 2. Sine 60, value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2, substitute it 1 by 10, where we get it is 20 root 3, that 21.7, that 34.6. So this was a simpler question. Now we have another question number 2. We are given maximum height is equal to horizontal. Maximum height is equal to horizontal range. We have to find the angle. If the velocity, for what angle the maximum height is equal to horizontal range. So that is given h is equal to r, and so h vertical is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g, and range is u square sine 2 theta by g. So u square and u square cancel, we get sine 2 theta by sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta divided by sine square theta is equal to 1 by 2. You transfer the right hand sine square theta to right from left hand to right hand, and from g on the right hand it will multiply by g and g cancel, we will get 1 by 2. So it is 2i sine 2 theta is 2i sine theta cos theta divided sine square theta 1 by 2. 2 we take, it is will 1 by 4, and sine theta 1 cancel, we get cos theta by sine theta, that is cot theta. Sine theta by cot theta is equal to cot theta, so it is 1 by 4. So theta is cot and 1 by 4, that is 76 degree. You take sine inverse from your calculator or from the tables, T inverse ratios. Now question 3, we are given height. We have an projectile is fired from a height 450 with a horizontal velocity 20 meter. So we have to find how much time it takes. Since it has no velocity vertical component, it will move under the action of gravity. So height will be equal to 1 by 2 gt square. Height is equal to 1 by 2 gt square. So t is equal to twice root of twice h by g. So we will get 4 root of 4 2 into 49 divided by 9.8. Here g is 9.8. So it is 980 into 10 by 98. That is 90, and that is 10 into 10, that is 10 seconds. Well, another interesting question. We are given in question maximum horizontal range is 4 times. Prove that maximum horizontal range is 4 times the vertical height. We know that for maximum horizontal range is u square by g, the theta is 45. Maximum horizontal range is for angle 45. So if u is the velocity, then we will get maximum velocity as u square by g. And vertical height for theta is equal to 9, it is u square sine square theta by 2g. So u square into 1 by root 2 square into 2g. That is h is equal to u square 1 by 2 into 1 by 2g. That is 1 by 4 u square by 2g. 1 by 4 u square by 1 by 4 u square by g, not 2g. It is joule, so it's 1 by 4 by r, and so r is equal to 4h. Now there is a one question that is for you to do. Thank you.